Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Change by Deftones on bass. First, ensure your bass is tuned to drop D, meaning your E string is lowered to D. The iconic main riff primarily utilizes the open D string and the 5th fret on the A string. You'll want to alternate between these notes with a strong, driving rhythm. Pay close attention to the timing, as the groove is crucial for capturing the song's feel. Practice this foundational riff slowly to build accuracy and endurance. Moving into the verse, the bass line becomes more understated, focusing on sustained root notes, primarily on the open D string. Aim for a slightly muted atmospheric tone here to complement the vocals. As you approach the pre-chorus, the rhythm intensifies. You'll introduce a more active pattern, typically involving the open D string and the 3rd and 5th frets on the A string, building anticipation for the chorus. Maintain a steady tempo throughout these sections. The chorus explodes with a powerful, driving bass line that often mirrors the main guitar riff. Here, you'll want to play with conviction, possibly incorporating some palm muting for a tighter, more percussive attack. The bridge offers a dynamic shift, presenting a more melodic and arpeggiated figure. This section typically involves notes on the D and G strings, requiring precise fingerwork and a clear, ringing tone. Pay attention to the subtle rhythmic changes to maintain the song's emotional depth. Finally, the outro brings us back to a variation of the main riff, slowly fading out. Focus on maintaining the intensity and precision of your playing even as the volume decreases. To truly master Change, practice each section slowly and gradually increase your speed. Use a metronome to ensure your timing is rock solid, and regularly listen to the original track to internalize the subtle dynamics and feel. With consistent effort, you'll be playing this iconic bass line with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.